U.S. naturalization. Are you eligible to become a U.S. citizen? USCIS citizenship requirements. Are you eligible to become a U.S. citizen? The answer to this question is simple. You only need to be at least 18 years old and have enough years of legal permanent residency. Is there anything else? Yes. Please look at the USCIS document. USCIS says, in general, you may qualify for naturalization if you are at least 18 years old and have been a permanent resident for at least 5 years, or 3 years if you are married to a U.S. citizen, and meet all other eligibility requirements. So, what are all other eligibility requirements? I will tell you according to official USCIS documents. The original link of USCIS is placed at the end of the video and in the description. You can click to view the original text. Be 18 years old or older at the time of filling Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. Demonstrate continuous permanent residence in the United States for at least 5 years. In some cases, this may be 3 years if you are married to a U.S. citizen. In other words, you must have continuously resided in the United States for at least 5 years. This is known as the physical presence requirement. Show that you have been physically present in the United States for 30 months. In some cases, this may be 18 months if you are married to a U.S. citizen. You need to show all foreign travel during the last 5 years as a permanent resident so as to prove that you are physically present in the United States. Show that you have lived for at least 3 months in the state or USCIS district where you claim residence. You must find a job and a place to live after getting your green card. You should have a job so you can earn money and live independently without relying on government benefits. More importantly, you can pay taxes. Pay taxes on time. Your tax returns are very important proof that you are eligible for naturalization. On the day of your interview, bring your certified tax returns for the last 5 years, 3 years if you are married to a U.S. citizen. If you are a man between the ages of 18 and 26, you must register for the Selective Service. You must provide proof of your registration to USCIS. If you are 26 or older but under the age of 31, you must provide proof that you registered with the Selective Service when you were required to do so. If you were required to register and did not, you must bring to your interview both a written statement explaining why you did not register and a letter from the Selective Service system indicating your status. If you don't register for the Selective Service, it will affect your naturalization. If you are married to a U.S. citizen and get permanent residency, you must live together with your spouse all the time. Good moral character. Some behaviors will directly affect your eligibility for naturalization. Do not do anything illegal. Example: 1 or more crimes involving moral turpitude, meaning evil crimes. Offenses such as spousal or child abuse, forgery, and robbery. Controlled substance violation. Incarceration for a total period of 180 days or more, except political offense and ensuing confinement abroad. False testimony under oath for the purpose of obtaining any immigration benefit. engaged in prostitution, attempted or procured to import prostitution, or received proceeds from prostitution. Involved in smuggling of a person to enter or try to enter the United States in violation of law. Practiced or is practicing polygamy, the custom of having more than one spouse at the same time. 2 or more gambling offenses, or derives income principally from illegal gambling activities. Is or was a habitual drunkard. 2 or more convictions for driving under the influence during the statutory period. Willful failure or refusal to support dependents unless extenuating circumstances are established. Unlawful acts. Example: bank fraud, failure to file or pay taxes, falsification of records, false claim to U.S. citizenship, sexual assault, Social Security fraud, unlawfully registering to vote, unlawful voting. Here is the links to the USCIS documents. Thank you and good luck. Please subscribe for more.